Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes and dudettes. As you can tell, got another box. So, it's a small one. So, let's crack into it, see what it is. Let's go. So I'm back in, ready to crack into this and see what it is. Let's see. So how you guys been? How you been? How you doing? Paper. Let's see. This is wrapped pretty tightly. Like a bunch of paper wrapped into it. Oh, big hug. Yeah, I saw this and I was thinking about it sounded interesting to me because it's supposed to be a clone of Fig Porn by Born to Stand Out. And even though I have not smelt that fragrance, it is another fragrance that I was interested in. So I was like, let's get the clone and see what it smells like. And since I'm a big fan of Fig anyway, I figured, what the heck, why not? Let's try it. All right, so here's the box. Has a nice little imprinted design on the sides of it. The front of it has the name, and there. This is the names right there on the top, and on the back, pretty much just basic information. On the bottom has the barcode and a QR. Let's see. Pretty much a basic box. There's nothing fancy about the box. Oh, okay. It's kind of loose fitting in there too. But let's see what it smells like. Here we go. Here's the bottle. It's kind of substantial looking bottle. It's glass, but it's thick and solid. And the top is like a gunmetal, but it feels like this feels like plastic. This feels like it may be a little bit of, this top part feels like it's metal. This feels like it may be metal. I don't know, but it's light. Well, it's medium weight. It's not lightweight. Let's see what this smells like. All right, here we go. First spray. Ooh, is that pressurized sprayer? Nice. Oh, that's like a fruity fig. Wow, on paper it smells different than what I just smelled in the air. Oh man, yes. This is going to be good. Okay, we're going right on skin, and I want to see what this is kicking, how it's smelling. That sprayer is crazy. Wow. Oh man, yeah, this is juicy. Something juicy on the top. It smells like if it was a such thing, or maybe it is a such thing as fig juice. That's what this kind of smells like. It is really fresh and bright. Actually, it smells more like a lemon and an orange kind of juice, but with fig. Or maybe not even fig, but maybe fig like flavor with orange, and this is really good. Oh my goodness, so bright. This is so bright. This would be amazing for the summertime, springtime, but the performance of it right now, it smells like it probably will do pretty good in this fall now. So I'm definitely going to try to wear this. And look, left a nice little sheen on me too. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna wear this for a little bit. Go grab the notes and I'll come back. Hold on a second. All right, so I'm back in. Man, this fragrance this is good. Now, it leans unisex, but if you're comfortable in your skin, anybody can wear this, male or female. But man, it smells so good. Like I said, it started with this bright kind of lemon and orange kind of mixed with a fig, the fig fruit, not the fig leaf, kind of vibe to it. And it was really sweet and bright. And now it's died down a little bit. And it's more so fig, but it's more a little bit like a fig leaf in addition to the fig, the actual fig. Oh man, it smells good. It's been maybe about half an hour, 45 minutes. So yeah, Fig Hug. Is that name gonna come in there? Fig Hug smells really good. But I do have the notes, and I'm gonna run through the notes real quick. The notes for Fig Hug, the nice little different style bottle. Top notes are lemon, fig, and pink pepper. Don't really pick up on the pink pepper too much. The middle notes are whipped cream, rose, and jasmine. That creaminess may be coming from the whipped cream. That smells like almost like a candied kind of vibe to it. So, and then in the base notes, we have fig milk. Oh, and then white musk and cedarwood. Oh, fig milk. So it might be a little bit more creamy in the base once it dries all the way down. Oh man, this is going to be a good one. This is going to be a good one. I want to put this on someday. One of these days soon, I'm gonna wear this when it's a little warmer outside. We have been getting days that was cool and warm, and so I'm gonna try to get this in before the spring hits, before the actual heavy fall hits, and we're stuck in the real cold weather. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to share that unboxing, and I'm glad I got that because I really haven't seen a whole lot of people talk about this fragrance too much, the Fig Hug. I've seen maybe a handful, and most of the reviews that I have seen have been from females. So I kind of was thinking, okay, maybe it's a female fragrance, but the fig just got me, and I was like, you know what? If it is a female fragrance, I can give it away as a gift or whatever, but I think I'm gonna keep this one. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me. Talk about this new fragrance. Actually, it came out this year too. Fig Hug. Till next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.